Lizards, belonging to the class Reptilia, have long captured the imagination of both scientists and nature enthusiasts. These remarkable creatures exhibit a diverse array of adaptations and behaviors that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. One intriguing fact about lizards is their incredible variety. With over 6,000 known species, lizards are found on every continent except Antarctica. From the tiny dwarf geckos to the formidable Komodo dragons, these reptiles come in a range of sizes and shapes. This diversity extends to their habitats as well, with lizards thriving in deserts, rainforests, grasslands, and even urban environments. One of the most remarkable features of certain lizard species is their ability to regenerate lost body parts. While not all lizards possess this extraordinary skill, some, like the green anole, can regrow their tails when threatened or caught by a predator. This regenerative ability is not only fascinating, but also serves as a survival mechanism in the wild. Lizards are known for their unique defense mechanisms, and one such strategy is their ability to change color. Chameleons, in particular, are renowned for their remarkable color-changing abilities, which they use for communication, thermoregulation, and blending into their surroundings to avoid predators. This adaptation showcases the incredible complexity of lizard physiology. In addition to their physical adaptations, lizards also play crucial roles in ecosystems. Many species are insectivores, helping to control insect populations and maintain ecological balance. Moreover, some lizards, like the Gila monster, are venomous, using their venom primarily for subduing prey. The study of lizard venoms has even led to medical breakthroughs, with potential applications in developing painkillers and treating certain medical conditions. The The world of lizards is a treasure trove of biological marvels. From their diverse forms and habitats to their unique behaviors and adaptations. Whether they are scurrying across desert sands, climbing tree branches in tropical rainforests, or basking on rocks in the sun, lizards continue to captivate our attention and deepen our understanding of the wonders of the natural world.